Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another video related to B1 reading for secure English language test. This video can be extremely useful for candidates who want to take general training IELTS and their required score is 4 bands. There are so many people who do not like to read. Reading is their worst nightmare. But I'm here for you. If you don't know and you don't like to read, we're going to go through the reading module together, part by part, question by question. So it is time for us to start now. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1. Do you know the 4 steps to reading? Here is the revision. Let me retell you. Step 1. Read the title. So let's read the title together. Health Center Appointments. Step 2. Look at any pictures, if you have, in the reading passage. So we have this stethoscope, right? The doctor wears it. Have you ever seen it? I'm sure you have. Okay. Now, step number 3, read the questions. So, option A says inquiries, B, room, C, name. Step number 4, read the paragraph. Let's read this information together. Wednesday, 7th December, patient F. Keats, Dr. M. Jameson, blank 09B, time 9 a.m., contact 09153776654. So do you think blank, this one in here, do you think it's the name of someone? Do you think it's about enquiries? That's a plural. Or do you think it's the room number? Think about it. Yes, you're right. It is the room. And we will choose B as an answer. Pretty smart.